What's up, West Coasters, and welcome back to Universal Studios Hollywood. We're excited to see what's new in the park, grab some tasty food, and check out any updates, specifically Super Nintendo World, which is supposed to open this upcoming winter. No trip to Universal City Walk is complete for me without grabbing a donut. So before we hop in the park, we're gonna go into Voodoo and grab something sweet.
Ooh, they got some fun merch. Something to look at while you wait. That's a really unique hat. You like it?
Yeah, the magic is in the hole.
The magic is in the hole. Only 27 bucks, that's actually not so bad. With all that embroidery. Do you like that mug?
This is a cool coffee mug. I really like this.
Oh, it really does have a hole. Are you gonna get it?
I'm thinking about it. I
Really?
want to see if our discount, if our past discount gets us a discount.
Ooh, good thinking. What kind of donut's calling to you today?
I don't know. I think I want to get the little pink because they have the big pink in the park, but I'm not ready to commit to a donut that big.
That is a big commitment to the big pink.
It's like a donut you have to eat with a knife and fork.
Right?
The hole in it. Yeah, I'll grab that. I'll run and grab that. Here's my pass.
You getting it?
Take the pass discount.
Ooh.
Thanks.
Thank you.
Got the bag.
Oh yeah.
I did end up getting the little pink donut. This thing is not so little though. It looks like it's a really decent size, if not, dare I say, a big pink. But I know that inside at Simpsons they do the big pink donut that's massive. Let's give this a taste. Okay. Delicious. This thing is awesome. It is super light and fluffy, and that pink frosting has a slight strawberry flavor. Definitely can't skip Voodoo.
Oh wow. This is a pretty epic Christmas tree they're putting up right now. It's gonna be beautiful. I'm gonna go up on the second level and see if we can get a good look at this Toothsome Emporium. Wow.
Toothsome.
Man, they've been working so hard on that. They are adding so many details now. Looks like it's gonna have some really good outdoor seating, which we love to see here. I mean, you know it's good when they're bringing in all the furniture.
We are up at City Food to get a better glimpse at the Toothsome Chocolate Emporium restaurant. This is gonna be a full service restaurant and bar, but I think that they're gonna be all about their crazy desserts. They'll have like big milkshakes, over the top chocolates, and one thing that sets this place apart is they say on their website it's 19th century inspired theming. So it could be kind of like Willy Wonka, it could be kind of fun, crazy chocolate factory. Who knows? We're excited to see what it's gonna turn out like.
Now that HHN is over, they're quickly scrambling to reset the park for Christmas. I'm pretty sure that their Grinchmas celebration, the Christmas season here, starts November 25th. So it's even going on behind us. They're putting up this huge dramatic Christmas tree. I think it's gonna look fantastic. City Walk definitely feels like it's in this constant state of change and development. It's exciting. We can't wait to come back soon, hopefully, and check it out. Excited about this. It's on its way. Oh, it's been so long.
It's been quite a while since we've been here, so we're excited to be back. The first place we need to hit, there's a lookout by the splash zone, the kind of silly splash zone where you can see into Super Nintendo World, and we're gonna see if there's any construction updates.
No red carpet. I wonder if it's because it rained a lot this week. I have missed it here so much. It's really been months since we've come. It's beautiful. And the sun, the palm trees, the weather is perfect today. I could not ask for a better situation. Observation deck between Super Silly Funland and Moulin Rouge, which really lets you see down over the lower lot, but also the rest of the studios, the valley. It's an incredible viewpoint, but it's crazy. It really helps us understand how they could be ready to open early 2023 because it looks almost finished. It really does. We are thrilled. I even wore the appropriate shirt.
You can see the entrance to the Super Mario World is right next to the Transformers ride. We'll go down there in a minute and show you that. As you walk in, they have so many things done and ready to go. All the pyramids, the question mark blocks, the piranha plants, and then that is the Bowser's Castle, which is going to be the entrance to the Mario Kart themed ride. So I get to do it.
It's going to be interesting to get down there after all these months and see what we find.
Yeah, let's see what's new.
You can see so much more from here.
Another great viewing place is the base of the first escalator. If you look just to the left of the Transformers ride, you can see the Super Nintendo World pipe that you'll walk through into the land. Once you enter the land, you'll see the pyramids, the piranha plants, and straight ahead is Bowser's Castle. This is going to be the entrance for the Mario Kart themed ride. We are so pumped to ride it. We're staying spoiler free, not looking at any of the footage that's coming out of Japan. We can't wait. There's been so much speculation that Super Nintendo World is going to open early or do a soft opening in early January or early February. We don't have a final opening date yet, but seeing how much scaffolding is still up is telling us that it will probably take a little bit more time before it is ready. Now that we've pointed out a few different areas you can glimpse down into Super Nintendo World, if you come down to the very bottom of the lower lot, next to the Transformers entrance, they've put up all kinds of fencing and material that's going to kind of obscure your view. You can't get that close-up sneak peek, but if you get nice and close, it's slightly transparent, so you can see the warp pipe that will transport you to Super Nintendo World.
We're having fun looking for new things for development, but we're getting really hungry. I'm determined to try something today that I've never had at the park yet, so let's get up to the upper lot. I think we'll find something good up there. If you enjoy these types of videos, going around LA, looking for great food and fun theme parks, make sure to give this video a thumbs up, but also hit the red subscribe button so you can join us on future adventures. Crop cam, crop cam. So Christmassy! You know, it's always winter in Hogsmeade, so the holidays is when it really shines here. It's looking like all the holiday decorations are up. It looks so lovely here. Like I said before, it's always winter here, so once they put up all the holiday decorations, it's just perfection, and we feel like we're home. We're home in Hogsmeade, and of course near Hogwarts Castle. Doing a good job, guys. We're on the performance stage, and over here we've got a special Ravenclaw and Hufflepuff tree, and then over here we have a special Slytherin and Gryffindor tree. All houses represented.
Oh my goodness, is this Hermione Granger we found in the park?
Yes, my name is Hermione Granger.
Wow, it's so nice to meet you, Hermione.
It's nice to meet you too.
Actually, what's your real name?
My name is Ivy.
Ivy's a really good friend of ours, and it was so fun to bump into her here in Hogsmeade. It's the perfect place to meet up, isn't it?
Hi, West Coasters.
Yeah! Thanks!
We're very hungry. We're at the Three Broomsticks, and we almost always get the bangers and mash because it's delicious and super shareable. But we wanted to push ourselves outside of our comfort zone, so we got the fish and chips. A little lemon, a little malt vinegar. We're going in with the flavors with the lemon, the malt vinegar, and the tartar sauce. Well, I can't believe it's taken us this long to try this because it's delicious. The fish is super tender. The batter is really yummy and light. This is gonna be in our usual rotation moving forward. I love it.
To wash down our fish and chips, we got the pumpkin fizz. Oh my gosh, that's so delicious. It almost tastes like a fizzy, cold slice of pumpkin pie in a weird way. I think that the other flavor in there besides pumpkin is apple. It is a delicious kind of fall flavor. I'm glad I'm having it today. We usually get the frozen butter beer, but thought we would try something new. So we don't typically have like a ranking system. We just tell people if we think things are good and if we recommend them. But if you're in the park, do you get the pumpkin fizz or the butter beer?
Me?
Yeah.
Ooh, I would usually want the butter beer for a treat, the frozen butter beer for a treat. But if I want a beverage to go with food, I like the pumpkin fizz because it's a little less desserty and kind of that apple pie, pumpkin pie flavor goes really well with all of this old English pub grub. So this is a good fit for what we just ate. Well, it was so fun to finally get back to Universal Studios after all these months. Things are certainly on the move, they're changing, but we're here for all of it. It's exciting.
Yeah, we had a great day in the park, and until next time, cheers!